Alrighty, today we're taking a look at a well system and how it works. So we're going to have our supply line right here with the electrical wires. You'll see that the water comes all the way down into the T-assembly and into the pressure tank. Generally, what you would want to see is a stainless steel system. Nowadays, that's what we're using. This house is from 2005. This tank's also from 2005. We no longer use the brass. Some contractors will, but you just get as much more gnarly, ugly looking setup. How this works, this pressure switch right here, this is what's going to turn on the well pump and turn it off. It's going to be a 40-60 switch. So what that means is at 40 psi, this will actually engage the well pump. The well pump will then pump and compress the air inside the pressure tank, which will then pneumatically push the water through the rest of the house. So we can see here that we have our springs. This is going to be our cut on off spring, and then the plate right here is going to connect house power to pump power. The stem at the bottom is how the spring's going to register the pressure. From there, inside the tank itself, we're going to have the water, the bladder, and then up top is going to be the air. You can check the air with your little Schrader valve cap right over here. But essentially what will happen is the water will push in, it'll compress that air. The compressed air will then push the water the rest of the way. We can see here that the pressure gauge is no longer operational, but that's okay. That's why we still have the Schrader valve up top. This is going to be our hose bib that we would use for maintenance, draining the tank, or doing chlorination, or a well yield. This is our pressure relief valve. This is designed so that if that gets stuck on for whatever reason, rather than having the pressure tank itself explode, this will just release the pressure onto the floor towards the sump pump. From there, we're going to have our main water shutoff, the filter, and our water softener. This is a pretty standard setup for our area. The tank's a little bit small, but not too small. It's important as a homeowner just to come down here every now and again, double check, make sure that nothing's dripping, nothing's leaking. We can see a little bit of water right down here. So we're going to check the connection points to see if anything's dripping, and then make our recommendations from there. I'm a strong proponent of getting water alarms in your basement, just so that way if for whatever reason the well tank starts leaking or the water heater starts leaking, you'll be notified. They sell some wireless ones that will also text you, but there's a cheap one at Home Depot for 20 bucks that you can put down right on the concrete. It'll go off as soon as water starts going through. So if you like content like this, please go ahead, give me a like and subscribe. I will have more information on well and septic daily. Let me know what you think, and if you have any questions in the comments.